Hello Duckling class. The weather's much nicer today. It's a bit sunnier outside, so hopefully you can see me a little bit better in the light. We are going to start with our speed sounds in phonics. I'm going to give you time to say the sound first and then I'll say it back to see if you've got it right, which I'm sure you will. So are you ready? Let's go. Oi, I, s, k, v, nk, as in I think, I stink, l, ks, p, y, k, g, f, sh, t, a, or v. It's the one where you can stick your tongue out, the only one. That's not fair. W, ch, h, d, o, j, look in a book. R. Remember, don't say it's just the end of that sound, it's the r. O, blow in the snow. E, what can you see? Or, ow, shout it out. E, for cup of tea. B, R, N, Z, oo, poo at the zoo. Ng, thing on a string. Mm. And then we get back to the start, which is oi. I'm going to show you a new sound now though. Well, it doesn't sound like a new sound because we know oi. This is another way of saying oi, or another way of writing and reading oi. So for this one we say oi, spoil the boy. And that word spoil has this oi sound in. So this is oi, spoil the boy. Oi, spoil the boy. Can you get ready? Okay, let's go. Oi, oi, spoil the boy. Spoil the boy. Spoil the boy. Oi, oi. Spoil the boy. Did you get that right every time? Fantastic. We're now going to think about reading some words with this oi sound in, and we might compare it to words with this oi sound in, and you can decide if you can see a pattern as to when we use this oi and this oi. Okay, so we're going to start with some words with this oi in. Are you ready? So how many sounds would be in join? Join. Put the sounds on your fingers. Let's work this out. Fingers. Have you got 3 fingers? Yeah, so we've got join. J, oin. J, oin. Let's say it one more time and then we'll take the sounds off our fingers. Join. J, oin. So this first sound is j. be join. So with our dots and dashes we've got join, and with our new digraph oi in the middle, join. Okay, so the next word will be, see if you can beat me to it if you've got paper and a pencil ready, or if you have a whiteboard. The word is coin. Coin. Okay, you try and write that down and I'll write it down. See if you write it before me. See if you get it correct as well. Okay, I'm done. Did you beat me? Okay, let's dot and dash that as well. Oi, n. With our digraph in the middle again. K, oi, n. Okay, let's see if we could do that word which is in the picture. Spoil. 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 Spoil the boy. Okay, you try and write it down. Spoil. Okay, I've finished. Oil, spoil. It's difficult, that one, because it does sound a bit like spoil, sb. It sounds like there should be a b there. But actually there aren't any words that we write with s and b next to it. It would always be a s and a p. So sp, oil, spoil. Okay, now we're going to think about words which might have this oi in. Okay, are you ready? The first word I want you to try writing is toy. You can do that, just do that. Don't wait for me, I'm sure you can beat me. Toy. Oi. I'm done. Oi. That was quick. Another word. We said spoil the boy earlier, and I said the boy was this word, so let's write boy. Okay, boy, go for it. Okay, done. I'm going to dot and dash this one. I've got my dot and then the digraph on the end. So can you see the different places that we use the oi sound? This oi, our new digraph, gets used in the middle of the words. There's always a sound coming after it. Join. There's an n at the end. Coin. Spoil. Whereas this oi is what we use at the end of the words. So a way to think about it is, at the end it needs a tail, a bit like an animal. At the back of the cat, at the end of the cat, I'm bound to choose cats, aren't I? At the end of the cat there's a tail. At the end of a word we use the oi with the tail. If it's in the middle of the word, we do not need a tail. Group 1, you might want to stop the video there. You've done a great job, well done. Group 2, you could also stop there if you wanted to, or you can keep going and try to read the next couple of sentences. They're a little bit tricky, but it's good to challenge yourself. And group 3, keep going please. I've written 2 sentences for you to read now, so have a look. See what you can read. I'll give you a little bit of time and then we'll go through it together. Okay, you can pause the video if you need a little bit longer. Otherwise, let's go through this. That's red word, go. We've got the capital at the start, but that is our red word, go. Go and go and. Now this word we might need to split into 2 to read it because it's got 2 syllables. We'd split it down the middle, just there. So we've got N, N. Then we have J-oy, joy, enjoy, enjoy. So let's look at what we've got so far. Go and enjoy, another red word, your day. Go and enjoy your day. Red word, said. It's a capital R here, so we've got R-oy, Roy. Go and enjoy your day, said Roy. Give yourselves a thumbs up if you got that. So look at the second sentence. If you didn't read it earlier, just pause the video now so you can read that. This word we'll remember from Skateboard Sid when we read that book together. So this is the red word I, and then we've got l, so it's I'll, 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 get, I'll get a, can, I'll get a can of, new sound, oil, oil. I'll get a can of oil, or which is it? With. I'll get a can of oil with my, new sound in the middle here, and remember, don't try and add the sound at the end until you've worked the rest of the word out. So we've got oin, coins, coins. I'll get a can of oil with my coins. Well done, duckling class.